Hello guys, welcome to Ali Retainer YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you that how we enhance or increase our volume in Windows 11. For this, uh, we have to right click on volume icon and click on sound settings. After this, we have to search the speaker or headphone that is connected to our PC or laptop. In my case, I have two options. I have a headphone is connected, and also my speaker is connected to my laptop. In this, I am selecting my headphone, and here I have a bunch of options here, but we there's many options here, but leave it as it is. Only enhance the audio from off to on. After this, our PC sound is much increased. If we want to change any other settings, just click on advanced, and here we have the levels of our headphone or our speaker that is connected to our laptop or PC. Here the sound volume you see, and also we have the other options available here. If we apply this setting to our PC, our PC volume is much better than before. So guys, this is the video. Thanks for watching.